here everyone. Today I'm gonna do some fried meatball. Okay, I have the meatball that is already just got off from work, so I'm gonna hurry do the steam meatball. Like before I fry my meatball, I always steam it first for like 45 minutes. In the medium heat. It's make it soft and tender. So what I do, I like to put on the stick like this. See how it's come like stick like that. Okay. You can go ahead eat like this if you want to, but I like my meatball to be deep fried, so I'm gonna go ahead do the deep fry. Okay. So put the oil in the pot first. And then I already have my meatball sauce is already done, and I will show you for my next video, okay, how to do it. I already recorded, I just need to show you guys. And this is the vegetable I have with this cabbage and sweet basil, okay. But you can eat with any vegetable you want to, okay. Ooh, and hot stream. And I think my oil is already hot. Let me check. Yes, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down, make sure it's hot. Now the meatball is going to be very brown and a little crispy outside and very tender inside. So you don't have to fry too long, okay? It's cooked pretty quick. See how they start to turn brown already? That looks good, huh? Okay, well, I'll let this thing cook. Let's talk about my sauce. This sauce is very spicy because I like spicy, and it's sour, a little bit sour, and I use a little bit chili pepper in here, the one that I have in the drawer, because I like super hot, okay? If you don't want to, you don't have to. So my signature, I have my own chili pepper, so I always put in here, okay? And the reason I like the cabbage here is the color, and it's really crispy. Okay, nice. It's good for your health too. Also sweet basil. That beautiful. Okay, let's come back here and check this real fast. Oh wow, look at that. This is very easy when your family get together on the weekend. You don't know what to do. You just go ahead like stream the meatball. Like I said, 15, 20, 30 minutes before your family get to the house. And this sauce, you can also, like the hot sauce I do, you can put in refrigerator for a week or 2 weeks, okay? Like you're gonna impress your family when they walk in. You say, oh, the food is done, 5 more minutes. So everybody can cook this, okay? It's not hot at all. And this is my favorite thing to do. I love doing this. I make this dish like when I'm like only 13, okay? That's back in Laos. You can tell I love to cook, huh? See, you see the texture is different. It's not small. See how like it's puffy looking? I'll wait just a little bit. I want a little bit brown. Look at that. Okay, see? That's brown and that's look perfect right there. That looks so good. Look at that. Is that good? Okay, I'm recommend not to eat right away, okay, because this is very hot. So what I do, I would use the hold the stick like this and go down. You see how it's thick? I like my sauce little thick because that meatball is very hot, so it will melt away. Okay, but if you don't like thick, you can light it up a little bit too. All right, see, this look perfect right there. See, it look thick when it's in the bowl because it's a little cold, but when they get in the hot meatball, they're not thick at all, okay? If you like, you can put a little bit more, no problem. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna taste, see what this tastes like. I'm warning, it's hot. That is so good. Like that. Ready to in the bath. Sorry, I've been a little silly today. So what do you think? Ready for dinner tonight?